Installing a ceiling fan where heaters are present requires careful consideration of electrical codes and safety precautions. Code articles that pertain to the situation include National Electrical Code Section 314.29, which covers supports for ceiling suspended paddle fans, National Electrical Code Section 422.16 concerning ceiling fans, and National Electrical Code Section 422.17 addressing luminaires, also known as fixtures, in contact with thermal insulation. It might be possible to install the ceiling fan without a direct view of the heater locations, however caution is critical. Before any drilling, carefully inspect the ceiling for existing electrical wires or junction boxes. A non-contact voltage tester should be used to verify the area is safe before commencing work. Ensure that the ceiling fan wires are kept separate from the heaters and any other potential heat sources. Routing the fan wires through ducting or wire mold is a recommended practice to shield them from heat and to prevent accidental drilling into the ceiling structure. For enhanced protection against electromagnetic interference (ME), it is advisable to use metal wire mold. National Electrical Code Section 314.29 mandates that ceiling fan supports are securely fastened to either an outlet box, framing members, or by some other approved method. Given the absence of a crawl space, consider these support options. Firstly, use a ceiling fan rated outlet box that includes a mounting plate, which can be directly attached to the ceiling joist, or secondly, employ heavy-duty toggle bolts or molly bolts to firmly secure the fan to the ceiling structure. The installation process involves several steps. 1. Determine the preferred location for the ceiling fan. 2. Thoroughly inspect the ceiling for any existing electrical wires or junction boxes. 3. If electrical components are present, consult with a licensed electrician before proceeding further. 4. Route the fan wires through either ducting or wire mold for protection. 5. Securely attach the ceiling fan box or mounting plate to the ceiling joists, or use toggle bolts for secure mounting. 6. Install the ceiling fan according to the instructions provided by the fan manufacturer. 7. Verify that the ceiling fan is adequately supported and that all wiring is shielded from heat and electromagnetic interference.